Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today Megawati, the power spike petir videos. And let's watch it. If you guys want more about Megawati, please comment down below. Red Sparks versus High Pass. Let's watch it. Wow. Bam! Wow. Send the Mega! Wow. Wow. Wow. Nice, bro. That replay. İki. Wow. Nice touch. Megawati. Everyone in Korea or Indonesia, they are saying just Mega, right? Wow. Wow, nice edit though. Bam. Wow. Bro, I can't see ball by the way. She's cute. Bam. Wow. Wow. Nice. Nice. Ah.
High pass to service off in set number 2.
Wow.
Lee that time blocked and tight. She goes
Wow.
up again. Great defensive block as Bay was there for high pass.
Bro, what
Red
a
Sparks
powerful.
will take Red Sparks.
Oh my
Couple
god.
Spike attempts from Lee. That styming defense and then the set for.
Oh my god.
And there she makes a good
What a power.
defensive
What is height? Her.
Beautiful rally here as the finesse from Suksad turned away. Bukalic tries the cheeky touch. What a play there by No.
Wow. Nice.
To Red Sparks says
Chat.
Mega.
Mega.
Brilliant rally back and forth. There was that great diving dig from Red.
Good.
No to keep it alive for Red Sparks. And the eventual
Mega.
Wow. She's turned block. Mega with a beautiful finesse drop.
Wow.
Get a look at this replay.
Bang.
She places it on the out 13, serving 11. As high pass dig it defensively.
Whoa.
It's powerful hit, but Lee keeps it alive. Mega goes for finesse. That time it's dug out defensively.
Wow.
Tremendous rally here.
Wow. Bro, literally I can't see ball. What a power.
A big smile.
Yes. Damn. Damn. Wow.
Nice block defensively by Jian. The finesse touch from Bukalic.
One touch. Bam.
Mega goes for the
Wow.
that one just stays within. Going up.
Yeah.
I want to see if it was off the high pass block.
That was touching, right? Yeah.
The Industry Pertirias, Red Sparks, 16 serving 13. Get the action back underway. Bukalic, her spike attempt is blocked. Mega setting up for the kill.
Wow.
Feast
Mega.
as Mega gets a big point and Red Sparks.
Russia is number 1 or what in V League? What's going on right now, guys? Wow. What a cross.
There's the frustration on the face of Suksad.
Wow, that shock.
Defensive effort from Dane.
Oh.
To contend. 14, 17. Mega steps up.
Wow.
Mega with another point.
Wow.
That 25
Bro.
set clincher as presence.
Wow.
Park. And
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, directly ace.
Look at this second ace of the matches.
Wow.
18 serving 21. Crazy rally. Kept alive, battling tight. Nice dig there by Lee. Check
Wow.
out, it's actually Ewan as Mega. Big
Wow. Hit.
spike blocked from
Ooh.
Lee. Mega steps
Wow.
up. And Red
Bro.
Sparks Pertiwi and her
Wow.
attack.
Bam.
Much for the
Pa.
defenders to handle as she drills that
Yeah,
one.
mega.
Away.
She is mega.
Day with a great serve, but dug out. Nice play by Jean. Mega steps up.
Oh
And
my
Mega will
god.
get the point for Red Sparks.
Oh my god.
As she-
Unstoppable.
Let's get another look at that point. Off the
Mega.
head of Kim. And out of play is on an ace. Yun Jung Lee serving for high pass. 9 serving 6. 9 serving
Wah.
6. 9 serving 6.
Bomb.
Mega steps up and Mega gets the point. As Red Sparks picked up 3 points.
Wow.
After the serve hit the net. Since the John. First serve dealt with by Day. Mega up for the spike. Mega gets the attack and the kill. And trying to surge in front now.
Wow.
Mega power score 12 serving 16. Has Mega the top score today. And she plows the ace.
Wow.
What a serve. Mega with her
Bro.
Get another look at this.
Wow, bro. Look at the ball.
Serve with high pass
Ball.
leading, 12 serving 9. Mega goes up for the spike and she
Oh my.
scores. And now
Bro, this is final set.
for high passes. They lead. 15 serving 14,
Nice.
but Red Sparks get it right back.
I saw this. Bro.
Gets the point for Red Sparks. As there she drills it off the top of the head of Sasha Shaman. 19 serving 18. Good dig defensively. Touched by Bukalic. Kept alive by the Red Sparks. Mega
Wow.
goes up for the kill and she gets the point.
Wow.
By high pass.
Yes.
Another look at this attack and square up 2020. Mega.
Wow.
Long, but it's off the block. Get another look here. Is this time it's off the left hand of Bay and out of place. So 4. Day with the bump from the Suksan serve.
Wow.
Game.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. Wow.
Zhang Guanzhang Red Sparks take it by a final score of 3 sets to
Anyway, guys, that was good. If you guys want more about Mega, please comment down below and take care of yourselves. And guys, bye bye.